Okay, let's see how we can sort a list of numbers in a descending order. For that, we need to understand how we sort in ascending order. So if you see this code, we have a list of number, we stream it, we sorted it, we collect it, and we collect it in a list, and then we print it. Okay, simply this sorted method will sort it in its natural order, which is ascending order. However, to explicitly mention that we want to sort it in ascending order, we want to pass the comparator and provide the lambda expression, and we need to pass a minus b, which is the natural order of sorting. So once you do this, and once I run this code, you will see the same result. It's sorted in the ascending order. However, in order to sort it in descending order, all you need to do is do it b minus a, which is the second operator, and we are doing b minus a. So this will signifies we want to sort it in descending order. So let me run it. Okay, you see this is sorted in descending order. So the code is similar. List of numbers dot stream dot sorted, pass the lambda expression the way you want to sort it, then collect, and then collectors dot to list, you want to collect it into a list, and then you can print it.